Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Saturday, March 24th. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have another big old box today coming from Amazon. Oh, no swoosh today. Alrighty, we shall see what's inside this thing. And of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the link down below. Check them out. We'll see what this is in about 2 seconds. Oh boy, it should be exciting. Just glad this month is almost over with. Just a few more days. We made it. Very nice. There we go. Got that open. I'm gonna drop this down on the ground. There we go. Pull it out this way. Be a lot easier. Plus, I was not you guys. Whoa. Now, this is some heavy machinery right here. Oh. Alrighty. For my good friends over at Aicok on Amazon Prime, we have. Boom. Aicok Home Essentials. Live comfortable. 4-slice toaster. Brownie control. Bagel. Oh, sweet. This is nice. Alright. Here we go. We got all the good stuff on the side. There's that. And I think that's about it. Now I'll open this thing up. I'm going to pop some toast in about 2 seconds right after this part is done. We'll see how it works. I'm excited. This will be a good Easter gift to buy somebody. Easter coming up, so send them one of these 4-slot toasters. Cord there, warranty card. Da, 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 da. And there we go. 1 second. Get the styrofoam out. Oh, this thing's huge. Bam. Alright, Mr. Box. That one's done. Oh, this is nice. Really nice. Nice made quality stainless steel. Solid steel. What a boom. Holy smokes. Let me see you guys see this toaster. Clean up my mess. Alright. Look at this bad boy. Oh boy, you can see me. Aicok. Boom. This is nice and shiny. Bada boom. Oh. We got the 4 slots down there. Those are huge. Definitely could put a bagel and stuff like that. Some English muffins. Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna pop some toast in a second. I'll see you in the kitchen. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, back in the kitchen. Here we go. We're gonna cook some toast. Or bake, whatever you want to call it. Time to toast it. We got the different, oh, you guys can't see. Let me turn on the light, maybe that might help. Maybe a little bit. There is the different settings. I don't know if you guys could tell. Hopefully it comes in pretty good on your side. Come on, baby. There we go, a little bit better. And we got the time. Not too dark. Ooh, it lights up. So we got toast, bagel. And there's a timer. We'll do it about 4, all the way up to 7. 7's the darkest, 6 semi-dark, so on and so on. And then take a look at these. Not too hot. I don't want to melt my camera lens. There we go. Look at that. You can tell it's already doing its magic. I'll give the birds the bread once I'm done with this. Gotta feed the birdies. There we go. Really nice. Ooh, it's nice and warm already. Holy smokes. Alright, this is cool. So this is nice and cool. Doesn't stay warm. Ooh, I gotta clean this. There we go. I gotta wipe that down later. It's all good. See, I always thought those were the timer, the numbers, but it is the darkness. Look at that. I may actually have one and then give the rest to the birds. Let it cook. Oh, this is nice. So thank you guys at Aicok for sending me this 4-slot toaster. And like I said, YouTubers, you guys could get one at a low cost. The link is going to be down below. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime. Uh-oh. I want to see how it ejects. Ejecto seat. Look at those. Do not stick your hands in it while it's prepping or cooking bacon. Do not do it. You can smell it. Smell the toast. Maybe I might have put it too dark. I doubt it though. We shall see the outcome in about 30 seconds or less, I do believe. Ooh, my phone's getting warm. Any minute. Any minute. And there's a tray while the crumbs go. That I'm not sure where that's at exactly, but they do come with a tray. Easy to clean. Oh boy, let's eject this out. Oh, you can't eject until it's fully done. Probably burned them. So maybe I might have to set it down to like 3, maybe 4. Oh, ejecto seat. Hot, hot. Okay, let me cool it down for a sec. This ain't bad. Oh, shit. Oops. There we go, look at that. Perfect toast. Heck yeah. Boom. Not too bad. Like I said, you just gotta adjust the darkness levels the way you like it. I mean, this came out pretty good. I just gotta tweak it down a little bit. Ain't nothing wrong with a little darkness. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. For especially doing 4 toasts. So I am quite impressed. And like I said, perfect for Easter gift for anyone in your family. All ages, easy to use, easy to clean. As you can see, not too messy down there. Not too messy down there. A little bit on the top, but other than that, nice kitchen accessory to have in your home. Especially with the 4, you can do the bagels, 2 bagels. Make some quick breakfast on the run. Put it in the toaster. Pop-Tarts, you do those. Some strudels, I guess. You name it. They got it out there. So definitely look at the wide slots. They're really huge. Any size bread, Italian bread, American bread, all the other breads. Definitely heck of a deal. So take advantage. Like I said, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a great weekend. And I don't think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not sure yet if I'm getting anything in the mail. But check them out. Aicok. Amazon Prime. See ya.